Today I'm gonna make for you some jerk wings, jerk chicken wings. I'm gonna use some dry seasoning here, dry jerk seasoning. Okay, that's enough. And then I'm gonna use the wet also. Doesn't have a pretty color. Okay, let's rub this up. Okay, here we go. Gonna pop this in the oven. Okay. Let's turn these over. All done. We have some sauce here. This is just some ketchup and oyster sauce with a little bit of the jerk seasoning in it. Okay, let's plate. Okay, this is our jerk chicken wings. Okay guys, thanks for coming into my home. I'll see you on the next video. God bless.